Acquire grammar. In this lesson, we are going to have a look at how to use not anymore. We use not anymore to say that a situation has changed. It can have the same meaning as used to. In a previous video, we had this example. Right now, I do not drink soda. I never drink soda. But in the past, I drank a lot of soda. So we can say, I used to drink soda. In this situation, we can also say, I don't drink soda anymore. Let's look at some more examples. He used to be a waiter, but now he's a chef. We can also say, he isn't a waiter anymore. He is a chef now. She used to live in Sao Paulo, but now she lives in New York. We could also say, she doesn't live in Sao Paulo anymore. She lives in New York. Okay, it's quiz time. Try to make a sentence using anymore. He doesn't smoke anymore. They aren't overweight anymore. They don't eat junk food anymore. How about you? What are some things that you don't do anymore? Let us know in the comments.